Since the beginning of time, various life forms have had reigns of dominance. The amphibians were replaced by reptiles, which were in turn replaced by mammals. Today we exist in the Anthropocene, the age of humans. We've reigned for centuries, but like every great dynasty, our time nears its inevitable collapse. To prepare for the rise of the Ornithocene, or Age of Birds, we've prepared this informational video detailing the rules of the New World Order, as well as including some important tips for adjusting to our new place at the bottom of the food chain. So, what is a bird? Experts define a bird as a warm-blooded, egg-laying, feathered vertebrate with the ability to fly. Yes, that's right. Birds, like penguins or ostriches, have become their own class. Birds will vary in size and appearance depending on their species, though these bipedal beasts share features like feathers. Some things fly that aren't birds. Commonly confused creatures include bats, insects, airplanes, pterodactyls, balloon animals, as well as the giant meteor hurtling toward Earth. Birds thrive in many different habitats: forests, mountains, deserts, beaches, wilderness, and even your own backyard inside of you. An activity of the past, birdwatching, has taught us much about how to prepare for an encounter with a bird. Encountering a bird may seem like a no-way-out situation, but by following these quick and easy steps, you'll have a slightly better chance of surviving the encounter. Let's watch this encounter, expertly handled by George. George leaves the bunker and knows not to be alarmed by the light source in the sky. This is called the sun, and it's completely normal. But be aware, if you can see the sun, then the birds can see you. Is stopped by a bird. Knows he only has a limited amount of time before the inevitable. Knows running is not an option. George first acknowledges the bird with, "I see you, bird," or "Greetings, bird." The bird will likely not immediately attack if its presence is acknowledged, as birds appreciate feeling valued. Next, attempts to distract the bird with conversation. Possible topics of conversation include weather, politics, sports, millet, crabs, Frasier, or vaccines. As everyone knows, birds are against vaccinations of all kinds. The next step depends on the bird's reaction. As is often the case, the bird offers a gamble. Similar to Crossroads demons and shady loan sharks, birds love to make a deal. Though the game will vary from species to species, this bird offers George a game of the Mesoamerican ball game, Park to Park. And as a proper loser, the bird will award the rightful winner a certificate of safe travel, meaning is safe to continue to his destination. Should meet another bird along the way, simply flashing your certificate will possibly ensure his safety. Just note the expiration date, as they typically only span a few hours. Losing the gamble is not an option. Do not lose the gamble. There is no God left to save you. Only theirs. Only them. Only them. Only them. Only them. Only theirs. Only them. If you find yourself a loser and somehow still alive, it's recommended you use your emergency sacrifice as a distraction while you attempt to escape. Mothers-in-law, uncles, and chatty roommates will all work perfectly well. Immediate family members like spouses, children, and dogs should only be used if none of the other sacrifices are gullible. Thursdays tend to be the cultist's holy day, and it's recommended you not venture out on Thursdays. When raiding bunkers, remember to take captives for sacrifice. We wouldn't want you to use your mother-in-law before you have to. These recreations depict the injuries suffered by survivors. A warning to our viewers that the following images are gruesome, nightmare-inducing, and have been recorded sending one man into cardiac arrest. And there you have it. The rise of the Ornithocene is upon us, and should only be feared to an extent. Well, 4.5 billion people are estimated to be dead by the end of the first year. There's a possible chance you will not be one of them if you play it smart. You know what a bird is, where they appear, and how to handle an encounter. Always remember, you are the worms of the earth.